Are you tired of juggling multiple subscriptions and still can't get the classic Office apps you need for everyday tasks? Well, I'm here to introduce you to a game changer, Microsoft Office Home 2024, the ultimate solution for one person with a single Windows laptop or Mac. This product is perfect for anyone who wants to install classic desktop versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on their device, without breaking the bank or committing to a subscription. If you're a student, freelancer, or simply someone who needs to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations on a daily basis, this is the solution for you. With Microsoft Office Home 2024, you'll have everything you need to get the job done, without the hassle of subscription fees or complicated cloud storage. So, let's dive into the specs. Microsoft Office Home 2024 includes classic desktop versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which means you'll get the same familiar interface and features you know and love. You can install it on a single Windows laptop, MacBook, or iMac, making it the perfect solution for one device only. The ideal is to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, which is made easy with this product. What's more, it's a one-time purchase with instant digital download, so you can start using it right away. And the best part? No subscription is required for basic features, so you can use it without worrying about monthly fees. In my real-world use, I can see myself using Microsoft Office Home 2024 for everyday tasks. For instance, I might use it to create a budget spreadsheet in Excel, or craft a presentation for a client using PowerPoint. I might even use it to write a report in Word, and have it all organized and ready to go. And the best part? I can do it all on my own device, without relying on the cloud or subscription services. Now, for the verdict. Microsoft Office Home 2024 is a solid choice for anyone who wants classic Office apps without the hassle of subscriptions. The classic desktop versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are a big plus, and the one-time purchase model is a huge relief. However, I do wish there were more features to explore, and the interface could use a bit of an update. Overall, I give it a solid 8 out of 10. It's a great choice for everyday tasks, and it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who needs classic Office apps. So, if you're interested in trying out Microsoft Office Home 2024, be sure to click the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.